Hey there, welcome to Infomedia. Have you ever wondered if science has all the answers? Think again. While we've sent robots to Mars, mapped the human genome, and split the atom, there are still puzzles that leave even the smartest minds scratching their heads. Today, we're diving into 15 of the most baffling scientific mysteries, phenomena that continue to defy explanation, even in the 21st century. From strange signals in deep space to ancient tech that shouldn't exist, let's unravel the weird, the eerie, and the downright unexplainable. 1. The WOW signal. In 1977, a massive radio telescope in Ohio picked up a bizarre, 72-second radio signal coming from deep space. It was so extraordinary that the astronomer monitoring it circled it on the printout and wrote, "Wow, next did," hence the name. The signal appeared to be of extraterrestrial origin, but it was never heard again. Scientists have tried to detect it or explain it ever since, but nothing conclusive has surfaced. Was it aliens, a one-off natural event, or just a freak technical glitch? We still don't know. 2. Dark matter and dark energy. Everything we see, stars, planets, galaxies, makes up only 5% of the universe. The rest? It's dark matter and dark energy, invisible forces that we can't see or touch, but which shape the cosmos. We know they exist because of the way galaxies move and space expands, but we have no idea what they really are. Countless experiments have tried to detect them, but they keep slipping through our fingers. It's as if the universe is built on a foundation we simply don't understand yet. 3. The placebo effect. Imagine feeling better just because you think you've taken medicine, even when it's just a sugar pill. That's the placebo effect, and it works surprisingly well in many cases. But the real mystery is why it works. How can a person's belief trigger real healing effects in the body? Scientists know the brain is involved, but the exact mechanisms are still a black box. It's a fascinating glimpse into the power of the mind over the body, but also a frustrating one for researchers. 4. The taos hum. In the small town of Taos, New Mexico, a strange, low-frequency hum has been reported by residents for decades. Not everyone hears it, and its source has never been pinpointed. It's not a mechanical noise, and it's not coming from any known natural phenomenon. Various theories blame underground seismic activity, secret government projects, or even psychological suggestion, but none have been proven. The hum continues to puzzle scientists and annoy the locals. 5. The immortal jellyfish. Meet Turritopsis dohrnii, a tiny jellyfish capable of cheating death. When injured or aging, it can revert its cells to an earlier state and essentially start life over again, a biological reset button. While other animals age and die, this jellyfish seems to be able to live forever under the right conditions. Scientists are studying it closely, hoping to unlock secrets about aging, regeneration, and even immortality. But for now, how it performs this miraculous feat remains a mystery. 6. The alien mummy of Atacama. In 2003, a tiny, humanoid skeleton just 6 inches long was found in the Atacama Desert of Chile. With a cone-shaped skull and 10 ribs instead of the usual 12, it looked like something out of a sci-fi movie. DNA analysis later revealed it was human, likely a fetus with rare genetic mutations. But scientists still can't fully explain the extent of its deformities, or how such a body could have remained so well preserved in the harsh desert environment. 7. Ball lightning. Witnesses have described it as glowing orbs of electricity floating through the air, sometimes indoors, sometimes exploding without warning. Ball lightning has been reported for centuries, but it's so rare and unpredictable that science has struggled to study it properly. There are theories involving plasma, microwave radiation, or even hallucinations, but no one's been able to recreate or fully understand it. It remains one of nature's most elusive light shows. 8. Why we dream. We all dream, yet science still can't agree on why we do it. Some theories suggest dreams help us process emotions or memories, while others say they're just random brain activity. But none fully explain the complexity of dreams, how they can be so vivid, so emotional, and sometimes eerily prophetic. Despite decades of sleep research, dreams remain a window into a world we don't fully understand. 9. The Voynich manuscript. It's one of the most mysterious books ever discovered, an ancient manuscript filled with strange illustrations and written in a language no one can read. The Voynich manuscript has stumped linguists, historians, and cryptographers for over a century. Some believe it's an elaborate hoax, others think it's a lost language or a coded message. Despite numerous attempts to crack it with AI and pattern recognition, its secrets remain locked away. 10. Fast radio bursts. From galaxies billions of light years away, mysterious flashes of radio waves are bombarding Earth, and they last just milliseconds. These fast radio bursts are incredibly powerful and often one-off events. A few have repeated, hinting at some natural or artificial origin, but we still don't know what causes them. Could they be neutron stars colliding? Magnetars flaring up? Or maybe, just maybe, a signal from an advanced alien civilization? 11. How life began on Earth. We know life exists. But how did it start? The exact process by which non-living molecules transformed into the first living cells remains one of the biggest questions in biology. Was it a chemical accident in a warm pond? Did it arrive via a meteorite? Or was it sparked by some cosmic force we can't comprehend? Despite countless theories and experiments, the origin of life is still a mystery locked in time. 12. The double-slit experiment. This mind-bending physics experiment reveals that particles like electrons can behave like both particles and waves, and that merely observing them seems to change their behavior. It challenges everything we think we know about reality and raises deep questions about the nature of consciousness and the universe. How can observation affect the outcome? No one fully understands it, even a century later. 13. The Bermuda Triangle. Stretching from Florida to Bermuda to Puerto Rico, this patch of ocean has been blamed for the mysterious disappearances of ships and planes for decades. While many of the incidents may be explained by weather, navigation errors, or mechanical failures, a few remain suspiciously unsolved. Theories range from magnetic anomalies to time warps, but concrete evidence is scarce. It's one of the world's most legendary mystery zones. 14. Human consciousness. We experience thoughts, feelings, and awareness, but what exactly is consciousness? Is it just brain activity, or something more? Despite advances in neuroscience, we still don't know how subjective experience emerges from physical matter. Understanding consciousness may be the final frontier of science, and possibly the hardest one to ever solve. 15. The multiverse theory. Is our universe the only one? Some physicists believe there could be infinite universes, each with different laws of physics, histories, and versions of you. It's called the multiverse theory, and while it sounds like sci-fi, it's taken seriously in some corners of theoretical physics. But without direct evidence, it remains an open question. If true, it would completely change how we understand existence itself. So, what do you think? Are these mysteries just waiting for the right breakthrough, or are there things science may never fully explain? Whether it's the cosmos, the mind, or the microscopic world, these puzzles remind us that there's still so much we don't know. If you enjoyed this dive into the unknown, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more mind-bending facts. And drop a comment, what's your favorite scientific mystery? Until next time, stay curious.